Are you a kitchen specialist, a DIY retailer, or a furniture brand? Take advantage of HomeByMe. With our omnichannel solutions, your customers will be inspired by engaging experiences that enable them to interact with your products. They can personalize furniture from anywhere on any device. They can imagine their future interior using the most intuitive and innovative 3D planning solution on the market. With the guided design approach, embedded business rules, and automatic layouts proposals, it's uniquely developed for each sector in the home industry. And your sales associates use the same online interface as your customer for a seamless consumer buying journey that goes from web to store. Your in-store experts can easily check your customers' projects, quickly manage orders and quotations, and finalize their purchase. With photorealistic 3D images, your customers can project themselves in their dream home. Looking for ways to uplift your customer experience from inspiration to purchase? Let's embrace the best 3D innovations with HomeByMe.